Anyone who's a regular on the show will know that I typically talk about the top 4 things you're looking for. I always ask, where are you going to ride your ski? Well, I live on the Finger Lakes, or I live in Havasu, or I'm in the Gulf, or I'm in the Great Lakes, or I'm going to go to Lake of the Ozarks, or whatever. Okay, great. What conditions are you in? Then I end up asking, how good of a rider are you? Never been on a jet ski. Or I've been riding jet skis for 40 years. Okay, great. So what kind of riding do you plan on doing? Oh, I'm just taking the kids out. I'm pulling a raft. I'm farting around. Me and my old lady want to go on long distance tours. I want to be an offshore racer. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever the case may be. So I have to ask these questions because all of these questions come up with one answer. They all boil down to one thing. How is the ski ride for the conditions I plan on being in? That's number one. Number one. That's the most important thing. You want to know why? Because if you drop the cash and that ski rides like hot garbage for the conditions that you plan on riding in, you're going to hate it. You're going to hate it. You're going to curse me. You're going to curse the dealer. You're going to curse the manufacturer. You're going to curse yourself for buying it. And your wife is never going to want to ride with you ever again. You're going to hate that purchase. If it rides like trash, nothing else will compensate. Nothing will compensate for a ski that doesn't fit the environment that you plan on riding in. Okay? None will. Nothing will. I don't care how great the sound system is. I don't care how comfortable the seat is. I don't care that it's your favorite color. I don't care that you got a great interest rate on the deal. If the ski rides like crap, you're going to resent it. And you're going to hate it. And you're not going to want to ride. Does that make sense? It's number one. It's number one. Number two, second most important attribute. How comfortable is that ski? Does it fit you? I've been on skis that I thought, man, this thing's comfortable. And then I see a guy who's 6'6" and weighs 180 pounds. And he's like, dude, this thing sucks. I hate this ski. My knees are in my chest and my feet are all cattywampus and my arms. I don't like anything. You're like, oh, okay. And then you find some little petite girl who's 5'2" and 100 pounds. And she's like, I can't touch it. I can't reach the bars. So you need to go find something that fits you. All right? Because if it doesn't fit you, are you going to want to ride it? No. How comfortable is it? Number one, how is the ski ride for the conditions that you're going to be riding in? Number two, how comfortable is it for you? Number three, reliability. Oh my gosh, Kevin, how can you say that reliability is number three? Because it doesn't matter how reliable is it or how reliable it is if you never ride the damn thing. If you hate it, if you absolutely hate it, who cares? You're not going to hold it on. You're not going to hold on to the damn thing for very long, right? You obviously want high reliability. You don't want to take it into the shop all day long. But again, reliability only takes you so far. Now, if it fits your chosen riding location, if it's comfortable for you, then by all means start digging into reliability, because that third thing could radically change your purchase. If you're like, man, this thing does this thing does that, it's checking all the boxes, but man, the reliability is trash, then you're going to have to go with your second option. Fourth on that whole list is all the bells and whistles and doodads and Mickey Mouse little stuff. All right. Fourth, it's way down on my list. It's way down on my list. Why do you need to have it so bad? That to me says you're not riding. Rather than riding, I want to fart around on my phone and make phone calls and text messages and voice text the office and blah, 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 rather than ride. All the sound systems and GPS and phone integration stuff and all this other stuff, I feel takes away from riding. More and more people who are uninitiated are asking dealers and asking manufacturers for more of this trash. They're asking for it. But all the other fanciful stuff removes you from riding, removes you from the experience. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.